sambar, which we call as breakfast sambar. This is how I like my Rava Pongal. Just little bit of ghee on top for me, and slowly from the sides I keep picking it up. With this sambar, take Rava Pongal. Breakfast is a very important meal, and in south of India we use lot of dal, because there is protein in the moong dal and all that. Today we are going to use this moong dal and make this sambar, which we call as breakfast sambar. And this is not spicy, this is mild. In fact, we do not add the coriander powder, the jeera powder, or even chilli powder. For that matter, just for the taste, some people may want to use little bit of sambar powder, but even that is not required. So to make this breakfast sambar, first we are going to take some oil in a pan. We are going to start off with the tempering, the mustard seeds. And mustard seeds, always remember, they need to crackle. When they splutter, the oil from that mustard seeds, come out, and it gives a nice flavor to whatever dish you are making. But at the same token, if you burn the tempering, then the whole dish also will be spoiled. Once it starts spluttering, add some cumin seeds and red chilli. And any sambar, we want to add little bit of methi seeds. So this will give very nice taste. Once you saute it, in this add onion. This onion along with hing and curry leaves will give a very nice flavor. And for making the breakfast sambar, we don't complicate it, we make it very simple. So even in this, I am just going to add curry leaf, some turmeric, a little bit of hing. Do not add all the vegetables in this, we just add one vegetable, and in this the pumpkin is the favorite. So just add pumpkin to this and saute it along with this onion and curry leaf. Add some green chilli. So now you just want to saute this pumpkin for a minute, after which we are going to add some tamarind juice, and we are going to let it cook on a slow flame. Just tamarind juice is required to give little bit of sourness, not too much. In this add some chopped tomatoes. You want this nice pumpkin to be a little bit soft. In this add salt and moong dal. Unlike the regular tur dal sambar, for the breakfast sambar, we can add some of this moong dal and mix along with this. And in this, add some coriander leaf. See, we don't want any of the masalas for the breakfast sambar. Breakfast sambar is supposed to be light. Whenever you eat this with idli or even pongal, you take large quantity of this sambar and pour it, and you make it slightly thicker also, not thin. So if you see, there is no masalas, nothing, and this sambar is almost ready. But just for my taste, I am going to add a little bit of sambar masala powder, but this is not a necessity. And if you also want a little bit of that nice flavor, you can add a little bit of sambar masala, and your simple breakfast sambar is ready. So this one, you can, as I told, you can eat it with idli, dosa, and today I am going to make the Rava Pongal and have it with that. Take some oil. So in this, we are going to add some pepper, some cumin seeds, we are going to add cashew nut. Okay. In this, just fry the cashew nut till it is slightly colored, Look at this. When the cashew nut starts getting the little bit of color, that's when you are going to add the curry leaves. And another nice flavoring is hing. Now in this, we are going to add the rava, the Sooji, and the Sooji needs to be nicely roasted. See, once you nicely roast the Sooji, even for upma, this is going to be nice and super tasty. Even when you are making a upma, the real flavor of the upma comes if you can slightly dry roast the upma. In this, add some salt, and now if you are going to pour the water, you have to pour it in such a way that it doesn't form a lump. As it is, once you roast it, the lump formation is decreased. Whereas if you add the raw rava into hot boiling also, you need to be careful in mixing. So now in this, add extra water like this, and now slowly, just mix it, and in this add the dal. So dal is already mashed, so you don't have to worry. Now we are going to mix this thoroughly and make our pongal. This is quick and easy. So you can always keep the dal ready, and in the morning you can make a quick pongal for your family. I added extra water. When this is getting thickened, this will start spluttering on you. So just put the lid on, and in between just keep mixing. And when it gets the desired consistency, switch off the flame, and this will slowly become a little bit thick. And a lot of times on the street side and all that, they add lot of oil. Of course, even I added a little extra, but they put so much oil, when they serve you, you will be seeing this mixture shiny. Once this is coming off the sides, we're going to switch off the flame, put the lid on, and we're going to let it just relax for few minutes. Pongal is all ready, Rava Pongal. We have eaten the rice Pongal, and you all have liked it. So this Pongal, you do not eat too much, little more than, one big size idli, maybe little more than that. So just take a dumpling like this. That is how much you eat for your family. If you take this cup of rava, it will become 6 cups of the Rava Pongal. So 6 people can eat. So the most important thing is you eat less of this Rava Pongal and more of the breakfast Sambar. So the breakfast Sambar is all here. Now this Sambar, this has got the pumpkin, everything, and it is also mild. Just I'm going to pour this breakfast Sambar, and literally, because we added the pumpkin. And the very interesting thing about pumpkin also, throughout the world they have different kinds of pumpkin. This is a nice sweet vegetable for me, and look at this. In the last, all I want to do is I want to cover up this pongal. Where is the Sambar? Where is my pongal? So this is how I like my Rava Pongal. Just a little bit of ghee on top for me, and slowly from the sides I keep picking it up. With this Sambar, take Rava Pongal. I love to add a lot of cashew nuts in this. Dear friends, make this kind of awesome breakfast Sambar. Here I have used pumpkin because this is the favorite vegetable for breakfast Sambars. But if you want to add any of the vegetables, cut them into small pieces so you cannot remove them out of there, and kids also enjoy it, and make it, eat it, and keep saying, Vareva.